Gusto mo bang mag-early retire at age 50 to 60? Ages 30 to 40 years old who is approaching their retirement age 20 years from now. Introducing Sun Accelerate. It is a protection and savings plan that matures after 20 years. Here is the sample quote and overview of this plan para mas maintindihan natin kung gaano kaganda ang plan na ito. This is a sample quote for female, 30 years old, non-smoker na gustong mag-retire as early as 50 years old. Isa-isahin natin ang benefits ng plan na ito. Ito ay may increasing life insurance benefit. As you can see, yung life insurance coverage niya ay nag-i-increase by 16% every year until 9th year of the policy. Which means ito ay may total of 228% ng total coverage. Meron din itong increasing guaranteed cash benefits, which can be a good source of guaranteed income. You can use that income for child's education, retirement fund, or travel fund. Starting on the 8th year ay may bumabalik na sa iyong guaranteed payout return until 20th year. Meron din itong guaranteed maturity benefit na equal sa 102% ng iyong original coverage. In this sample, merong 255,000 pesos on the spot na ibibigay kay client kapag 20th year na. Meron ka ding tinatawag na special paid-up bonus at yearly dividends na matatanggap mo after 8 years and onwards from 3 to 4%. You may choose to get it in cash or withdrawin mo to every other year or leave mo lang kay Sun Life para mag-accumulate pa siya at mag-grow. This is also a limited payment period where you can choose to pay annually, semi-annually, quarterly for 8 years only. And after that, makaka-receive ka na ng cash return or cashbacks every other year until the 20th year. So, in this sample, ang total annual premium na binayad niya ay 51,180 lamang. For 8 years, ang total na binayad niya ay 414,480 pesos. After that, may guaranteed nang babalik sa kanya. Now, i-compare naman natin ang total cashback or benefits ng plan nito sa tatlong senaryo. First ay ang death benefit. Ito naman yung makukuha ng beneficiary once na si insured or client ay nag-passed away na. So, ang total na makukuha nila ay 990,840 pesos with ROI or return of investment na 239.06%. Second scenario ay kung nabuhay naman si client after 20 years pero wala siyang naging withdrawal or pinili niyang stay na lamang yung pera sa Sun Life. So, ang total na makukuha niya ay 675,840 with ROI of 163.06%. Third scenario naman ay kung pinili ni client na withdrawin ang kanyang pera every other year, ay makakakuha siya ng 617,841 pesos with ROI of 149.06%. Kung iniwan mo lang sa bangko yung pera mo na 414,480 pesos, assuming na meron itong 0.125% interest from the well-known bank, using TVM or time value of money, nag-grow lang siya up to 424,000 plus. That's 102% ng ROI or 10% plus lamang ang kinita nito sa bangko kapag naka-savings lang siya. Masaya ka ba doon? Ano pa ba ang advantage ng Sun Accelerate versus kung nagtatabi lang tayo ng pera sa bangko? Dito kay Sun Accelerate, mauobliga ka na mag-save up to 8 years para sa future goals na tinapangarap mo sa buhay. Dahil may possible loss kapag nag-withdraw ka agad, sayang naman yung maximum return of investment mo. Ang tendency kasi kapag nasa bank lang ang pera natin or naka-time deposit, ay nakikita natin to at natitempt tayo na ma-withdraw ito agad palagi. Sa Accelerate ay meron din income protection na tinatawag. Dahil hindi lang naman siya savings component, meron din siyang life insurance protection. Ito ay additional guaranteed income kapag nagkaroon ng untimely death sa inyong pamilya. Pag naman may nangyari sa iyo nang hindi inaasahan, hindi na kailangan mahirapan ng family member mo or beneficiary mo mag-claim or ma-withdraw ng pera. Pero knock on wood. Unlike sa bank na subject for estate tax pa at marami pang kailangang i-present na documents like proof of relationship and other documents like death certificate, birth certificate, valid IDs, and more. Kaya naman napakaganda ng Sun Accelerate dahil marami kang future goals na pwede mo matupad agad right away after 20 years. Pwedeng educational fund, wedding gift or birthday gift, pwedeng travel fund, business fund, or even retirement fund. So sa mga umiedad ng 30 years old onwards, dapat ay nagsisimula na tayo ng plan na tulad nito. Especially for retirement fund. Dapat hindi natin inaasa sa ating pamilya o kamag-anak ang ating pagtanda. Break the sandwich generation. Tayo ang responsible sa ating pagtanda. Just note, ang minimum coverage ng plan nito ay 250,000 pesos. To know more about this plan, you can message me directly on my personal Facebook account, Ara Limbaro Tividad.